Good morning dear students. I will take revision from chapter 6. Name of the chapter 6 is the physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. Revision. Physical and chemical changes revision. So what is the physical changes? In the physical change is a temporary change in which no new substances are formed and it is easily reversible. When you have to remove the cause, then it can easily reversible and such that the composition of the substance does not change. More examples of physical change. What is the physical change? Physical change are temporary in nature. No new substances are formed and it is reversible when you have to remove the cause. And examples of the physical change, that is the dissolution of sulfur in carbon disulfide and dissolution of sugar in water, dissolution of rubber in petrol, dissolution of resin in alcohol, and evaporation of water such as dyeing of clothes, evaporation from lakes, ponds, rivers and seas, and freezing of water in a freeze or freezing of seas, rivers and lakes in cold countries during winter, and melting of ice or melting wax or ghee, etc. Formation of dew, frost, snow, hail, mist and fog, glowing of an electric bulb, magnetization of a bar of steam. Now what is the chemical changes? What is the chemical changes? Chemical change is permanent change. Chemical change is the permanent change and in this new substances are formed with different properties and evolution or absorption of some kind of energy. More examples of chemical changes: rusting of iron is a chemical change, cooking of food is a chemical change, burning of fuels such as petrol, kerosene, diesel oil, wood, charcoal and coal, digestion of food by living beings, respiration in living beings, fermentation of cane juice, fruit juice, etc., butter turning rancid, that is the sour in taste, rotting of fruits and vegetables, photosynthesis, the process by which leaves of plants convert carbon dioxide and water into their food and oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, charring of sugar into charcoal or strong heating. What is the rusting of iron? We will discuss about rusting of iron. Rusting of iron is a chemical change in this new substances are formed and the process due to which iron changes into rust, that process is called the rusting. So when it will come in contact with air and water, then rust will take place. And how we can prevent rusting? By oiling and greasing, by painting and by coating with the other metals. These are the methods we can prevent rusting. First one is the oiling and greasing, by painting, by coating with other metals and by converting iron into stainless steel. What is the crystallization? Crystals of a substance are obtained from its saturated solution at a higher temperature, and crystallization is the process of obtaining crystals of a soluble substance from its hot saturated solution. So what is the galvanization? The process of coating thin layer of zinc on iron sheets. The process of coating thin layer of zinc on iron sheet, that is called the galvanization. And some chemical substances can be obtained in pure state by the process of crystallization, and this is the process. So this is the revision of chapter 6, physical and chemical changes. You will take revision of this chapter.